In a significant announcement, Nicolas, the visionary founder of PiNetwork, has officially set the goal of launching the network's open mainnet in the first quarter of 2025. This ambitious timeline underscores the project's growing momentum and its readiness to enter a new chapter in its journey toward becoming a global cryptocurrency powerhouse. A bold vision for the future of cryptocurrency. PiNetwork has long been recognized as a project that prioritizes accessibility and real-world utility in the cryptocurrency space. With a user base of over 60 million pioneers worldwide, it has distinguished itself from other crypto projects by focusing on inclusivity and building a functional ecosystem driven by its global community. The announcement of the open mainnet launch target represents a pivotal step forward. Once achieved, this milestone will unlock a wide range of opportunities, including global adoption, allowing Bitcoin to be traded on major cryptocurrency exchanges, increasing its visibility and liquidity. Open ecosystem, enabling third-party applications and services to integrate seamlessly with PiNetwork. Full decentralization, handing control of the network to the community in line with its foundational principles. Why target Q1 2025? The choice of early 2025 as the launch timeline is not arbitrary. According to Nicolas, this period allows the core team to complete critical preparations that are essential for a successful open mainnet rollout. The major areas of focus include KYC completion, finalizing the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process for millions of users to ensure a secure and compliant network. Infrastructure optimization, strengthening the network's node infrastructure to support full decentralization and scalability. Ecosystem expansion, building a robust ecosystem of applications and services that add real-world value for users. Nicolas emphasized that these efforts are necessary to ensure a smooth transition to the open mainnet phase, where the network will operate independently and interact openly with other blockchains and financial systems. Community power, the engine driving PiNetwork. At the heart of PiNetwork's success is its pioneer community, a diverse and dedicated global network of individuals who believe in the project's vision. The pioneers are not just users, they are active contributors, driving innovation and growth through their unwavering enthusiasm and collaborative spirit. This community has demonstrated its strength through various initiatives, including local marketplaces, facilitating the use of PiCoin for everyday transactions, from goods to services. Innovative projects, developing applications and solutions that integrate with the PiNetwork ecosystem. Awareness campaigns, spreading knowledge about PiNetwork and its potential impact on the global digital economy. The collaborative energy of the pioneers underscores the project's unique ability to unite individuals from diverse backgrounds under a shared vision. Challenges ahead. While the goal of launching the open mainnet is an exciting prospect, it is not without challenges. PiNetwork must navigate several hurdles to achieve this ambitious milestone, including technological complexity, building a fully decentralized and secure network infrastructure capable of handling millions of users. Global regulatory landscape, addressing legal and compliance issues across different jurisdictions. Stabilizing PiCoin's value, ensuring that PiCoin maintains stability and usability as it enters open markets. Despite these challenges, the core team remains optimistic. With a clear roadmap and the unwavering support of the pioneer community, PiNetwork is poised to overcome these obstacles and deliver on its promises. What this means for cryptocurrency. The announcement of PiNetwork's open mainnet target represents a potential turning point for the cryptocurrency industry. While many projects remain focused on speculative trading, PiNetwork emphasizes real-world utility and inclusivity, providing a blueprint for the future of decentralized digital economies. This move signals that cryptocurrency can be more than just an asset class. It can serve as a tool for financial empowerment, connecting people and communities in ways that traditional systems cannot. Conclusion: a defining moment for PiNetwork. The decision to target Q1 2025 for the open mainnet launch is a bold and strategic move that reflects the ambition and vision of PiNetwork's leadership. It sets the stage for a new era in the project's development, where its decentralized economy can begin to interact with the broader world. For Nicolas and the PiCore team, this milestone is not just about technology, it's about building a network that serves the people, empowers communities, and redefines the possibilities of digital currency. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share